For a walk? Okay, stand up. Chiquita, where's your harness? Where's your leash? Where's your leash? Where's your leash? John has to get yours out. You think I'm just going to take Brody? Okay, should we get yours out too? You can use this one so you don't have to use the pink one. Come here, Chiquita. Come here, Chiquita. She doesn't like to wear them. Stop it. Where's it going? Okay, let's go. Look how he gets himself ready.